Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy spicy macaroni with cheese. This is a 100% vegan dish, so let's start with the ingredients first. I have taken here 1 cup of boiled macaroni. I have boiled it with hot water, some salt and oil. Make sure you will not overboil your macaroni. I have boiled this for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I have taken over here 1 medium onion sliced, then some garlic chopped, it's like 3 to 4 cloves, then some ginger chopped, then also I have some green chilies sliced. If you don't like it spicy you can omit. Then I have taken some parsley for garnishing the dish. Then I have taken 1 medium tomato chopped, 1 capsicum I have sliced it, and also some parsley, I have chopped it as well. And in spices I have taken 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper flakes, also 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, and salt to your taste. Then over here I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil and also 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Then we also need half a cup of mozzarella cheese. So the pan is well heated now. I'm going to add the olive oil first into the pan. Then I'm going to add the garlic and ginger first. Let's get it fried for nearly half a minute. Then I'm going to add the onions and the green chilies, and let's get it fried for 1 minute. Now the onions are fried, so I'm going to add the tomato and the capsicum to the pan. Let's give it a good mix. So now I'm going to add all the spices into the pan, the unroasted curry powder, turmeric powder, chili flakes, chili powder, and the salt. So let's give this a good mix. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water to get the spices and the ingredients well cooked before we add the macaroni. So let's give it a good mix and let's close this with a lid and let's get this cooked for 1 minute. So this is after 1 minute. I'm going to add the chopped parsley now. Give it a mix. And now I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. So now we have mixed all our ingredients and spices together. Now let's add the macaroni. So give it a good mix. Let's make sure all the flavors will absorb to the macaroni. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. If you like it more cheesy, you can add more. So now my stove is on low flame. I will close this with a lid and let the cheese melt. The cheese is now melted and my kitchen smells so good. So let's get this served now. So this is the quick and easy spicy macaroni with cheese that I prepared. So let's get the dish garnished now. So if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and also share this recipe with your friends who do not have access to internet or YouTube. So hope to see you again with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching my video.